Good afternoon. My name is Danny Tamburrino, and I am the president and co-founder of Optimum Accessory Dwelling Units. It's great to be with you here today, and thanks for joining us. Before we get started with today's topic and discussion, I'd like to share something with you. It's an inspirational or motivational quote that I heard some time ago, and it goes like this: "A goal without a plan is just a wish." I share this with you because I've been thinking about what it is that we do here at Optimum ADU and why we've been so successful at it. We at Optimum ADU not only specialize in building accessory dwelling units, we have developed a proven system on how to properly design, build, and budget ADUs for optimum investment potential. We have a core group of team members who share a passion not only for design and construction, but also for planning, relationships, and customer satisfaction. Optimum ADU started out with a vision, and that vision was to solve a problem. Did you know that Canada is currently short 1.8 million housing units in order to match the average per-person housing units of other G7 countries? This is an astounding number if you take into consideration that Canada's total population is approximately 30 million people. We have a serious housing shortage, and we here at Optimum ADU have chosen to be the solution to that problem. A few moments ago, I shared with you that a goal without a plan is just a wish. This brings me to the topic of discussion today, which is secondary suite planning and how our process at Optimum ADU works. At Optimum Accessory Dwelling Units, we know that you want to help with the local housing problem without affecting your personal household budget. In order to accomplish this, you need a cash-flowing secondary suite that's built right and is in compliance with the local building authorities. The problem is that you don't have the time to learn all the rules and regulations for accessory dwelling units, or how much you can spend on the project to ensure a quality build and positive cash flow. We understand how difficult and frustrating it can be to deal with city planning and engineering, contractors, and financial institutions. That's why we have developed a proven system to help you not only get the accessory dwelling unit you want, but also provide a plan to attract and keep quality tenants. Here's how we do it. Step 1 is to schedule a discovery consultation with one of our accessory dwelling unit design experts. You can do that either by telephone or on our website. We will walk through your home or space with you, and we will ask you lots of questions so that we can fully comprehend your wants, needs, and desires. We will then get to work based on the information received, and we will come up with the best plan for your accessory dwelling unit. We will also provide you with an estimated expected cash flow for the size and location, as well as the specifications for your unit. Step 2 is the budget. We know how frustrating it can be to do a personal budget, and we also know that most people have never done one before. No problem. Our team will help walk you through a personal budget and will highlight the best options for financing your project. This will largely be dependent upon the scope of work and the size of the proposed dwelling unit. You may be developing a legal basement suite, or maybe building a suite above a garage. You could possibly be building a backyard home. These are all very different units, and the cost associated with them is very diverse. Once again, our team will help guide you through the process, always keeping your best interest in mind. Step 3. Optimum ADU creates a virtual 3D mock-up of your secondary suite, showing you what your new rental unit will look like. You will have a complete 360-degree view of the proposed dwelling and all that it will have to offer. We will also provide you with a detailed construction budget, and we'll be prepared to review it with you. At this time, we can also address any questions or concerns you may have up to this point. We will also take the time to discuss our contract, deposit, and payment structure process. You will then be encouraged to review all documents in great detail. Once your review has been completed and you have decided to proceed, the contract can be finalized and the permitting process will begin. Step 4. Our experienced team of builders and subcontractors build your unit, taking care of all the details. This starts with applying for both development and building permits using the detailed plans and 3D mock-up our team has already produced custom for you that have been designed specifically for your needs taking into account your financial situation. This is what sets us apart from everyone else. We are not just building your unit. We have taken a key role in building you a cash flow asset. Throughout the construction process, you will have the opportunity to see the progress of the build. Our team will coordinate scheduled walkthroughs for you at certain milestones, so you will be able to have an up-close and personal view of how things are progressing. We will be happy to take the time to explain the various stages of construction to you and give you an overview of the mechanical systems as well. Once the unit is completed and is ready for you to take possession of, we will do a final walkthrough. This final walkthrough will be an education and information session. We will go over the full mechanical system of your unit in great detail. We will explain all of the working parts and answer all of your questions. We will also provide you with a homeowner binder that has all of the pertinent information of your build and of all the warranty material. At Optimum ADU, we have an amazing warranty: 1-year materials and labor, 5-year mechanical systems, and 10-year structural. Now that your unit is complete, you are ready to have it occupied. Step 5 is renting your unit to amazing tenants with our guidance and help. We know and understand that being a landlord can seem very intense. From placing advertisements to handling social media, from meeting with potential tenants to reviewing your applications, from filling out paperwork and signing lease agreements and contracts. We at Optimum ADU can provide advertising strategies, rental agreement templates, and periodic inspection checklists to help you get started with the process of earning cash flow as soon as possible. We have a proven pre-qualification process that will help you screen potential renters and narrow down the choices to serious and preferable applicants. You will also learn our winning tax strategies to save on tax and maximize cash flow. Step 6. Repeat the process by reinvesting your profits into another ADU on the same property or another investment property. Building valued relationships with our clients is something that we place high value on. We understand that repeat clients are happy clients, and we look forward to meeting more of you in the very near future. Now you may be thinking, this all sounds too good to be true. You're right. It sounds really easy, and that's by design. We want this to be as stress-free as possible for you. In reality, building projects have a lot of moving parts and regulations that must be met to satisfy local municipal guidelines and much more. That's why we have done all the hard work to understand the requirements and only use qualified contractors with a proven track record on all our projects. You might also be wondering, how can we ensure that you will be cash flow positive with this secondary suite? That's a great question. We look carefully at the project cost of borrowing, amortization, and expected rent, and provide you with the projections before we ever present a proposal. The goal is to provide you with a secondary suite that costs you nothing extra on your monthly budget. So be the change that you want to see in the world. Stop procrastinating and schedule your free consultation today with Optimum Accessory Dwelling Units and start creating a valuable rental opportunity. You will be providing much needed housing solutions for people in your community while building a real estate investment vehicle. That's all we have for you today. This is Danny Tamburrino for Optimum Accessory Dwelling Units. We thank you once again for joining us, and we look forward to being your choice on your next cash flow positive ADU project. See you next time.